So today we are doing the second video in regards to our level 8 luggage that has arrived. Again, this is luggage that level 8 sent to us, but we are under no conditions to say that we love it or whatever. And really in this video, we're just showing it to you anyway, kind of looking at the price, what you kind of get, and then of course we'll open up the bag so we can actually take a look. Today we're looking at what looks like one of their high-end bags, and this again is one of their carry-ons because that's really what we travel with. And this is their Gibraltar aluminum carry-on. Right now, $681. Now again, I'm not 100% sure if this is Canadian or if this is US. My recommendation, of course, is let's pretend it's Canadian. We'll see, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. This right now is getting 4.7 star reviews out of 74 reviews. So that's pretty good. Bunch of 5s, bunch of 4s, and nothing else. So I can read these. Let's take a look down here. I checked the bag and it has a scratch here and there, but no dents. Okay, I'm not sure what they're saying there. Really great build quality. The case is fantastic. These luggages are beautiful and durable, and I bought 2 to gift one to my daughter. Now, again, these are not inexpensive bags by any means. And if you're someone like I usually am, where I would go to Walmart or the local luggage store in your town or look on Amazon, then you will probably look at a $600, $700 price tag as a little bit on the pricey side. But I have to say, reviewing the last bag that we did with level 8, they are really, really well built. And I have to say they're a much nicer bag than any bag that I have had up to this point. Plus, something that you won't get with any of the other cheaper bags, especially if you are someone that probably travels a fair bit, is that kind of lifetime warranty on things like wheels and zippers and the case. The big one for me was the wheels. I've broken wheels on other bags numerous times and you end up just throwing the bag out. Whereas this, I'm guessing, I've never had to deal with them, of course, is you would just get the bag replaced, which is kind of nice. But yeah, lots of great reviews, and again, no poor reviews. I guess the only poor thing that some people may think of is the fact that it's fairly pricey. Again, I've never myself bought a high-end bag, so I don't know. Anyways, this is what it says: durable construction made with aerospace-grade aluminum magnesium alloy. That's pretty crazy. Dual TSA-approved locks, which I like because that was probably similar to the bag that we just did. Slow release handles for noise-free use and hand protection, just in case, I guess, you're someone that gets their hands caught in the handles. Hey, not something I would have thought about, but I appreciate. Ultra quiet 360 durable spinner wheels, and even on the one we did before, the one that we did yesterday, which was one that I'll probably be using because it has the laptop portion in it. Those wheels I thought were just fantastic. Organized compartments, mesh pocket interior divider, 20-inch fits most aircraft, right? So it's flight ready. Lifetime warranty. There we go. There's that lifetime warranty. And bonus includes a 4-piece packing cube travel set. Now, I actually got them to send me a packing cube set for the other piece of luggage, so I can have some cubes as well. This one comes with it, 4-piece packing cube travel set worth $50, luggage tag worth $30, and a free dust cover. Aerospace-grade aluminum. How crazy, 10 pounds. So just realize too, if you are going somewhere, I would think that they're gonna weigh maybe your bag. It's 10 pounds before you get anything in it. It's probably gonna have a little bit of heft to it. Looking at these, that's a lovely looking bag. I love the aluminum. And there's that little packing cube thing right there. Packing cube. There's your ergonomic handle, aluminum alloy handle, rivet corner protection. Yeah, that's a fancy. I'm gonna say it, fancy. And you can complete the set if you want. Just, yeah, complete it. There's I want to see this actually. The TSA approved thing. I thought I saw it. There it is. Theirs is a little different on this one than it was on the other bag. This one looks a lot more secure, even though I do like the other one still. There's the awesome wheels. And again, one of the things that you may want to look at, mine, the one I'll be using, has a compartment for my laptop and iPad and things like that. But because of that, it does take up a little bit of the storage on one side. If you're someone that's not important and you don't mind carrying your laptop in like a shoulder bag or a backpack and have this strictly for clothing and that, one of these bags may be better because it's going to be deeper on both sides versus a little shallow because the space is being used for the laptop on the front, and this one is deep on both. Get what I'm saying though? And there's a little video of it. You guys, I'll put links down below. You guys can go take a look. I'm pretty excited. Like I said, I better be excited for a bag this price. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and we're gonna go take a look. All right, guys, so we decided to come over here, and I apologize that this may be in the way a little bit, but it's really the only place outside of over there that I can show this to you. It comes in this, just like the one did yesterday. So they come in a box inside this, and the box is very well put together for sure. It's got a lot of protection and things like that in it, so that it's not or can't be kind of damaged. This is heavy duty. When they say it's aluminum, that's aluminum, right? Yeah, that's like it's not going to be like crazy thick, because then it would just be ridiculously heavy, right? It's got a little bit of flex to it, but not too bad. It's going to have some like instructions and things on there. First, they talk about this handle. This makes the other bag feel cheap in comparison to this bag. Like, without question, this bag just feels like a tank. You do have this nice, I don't know if that feels a whole lot different than the other one did, to be honest with you. But it's got very nice like click points for sure. This does have some nice, you guys can see it here. Actually, maybe what I'll do is bring this down here. Maybe you can see this. It's got like little feet on there. Maybe you guys can see that, little feet here. You know, stick like that, so that even if it's on its side, it's protected. Right on the like the hinge side, there's the top or the back. There's the locks right here. Now my hope is, just like the other one, that these are set at 000, and I'm guessing that they are. Is there little buttons here to open these? Oh, it's just these top buttons right here. See this? You guys have this. Click, and it pops open. Oh, I like that on both, yeah. And then this can open up. That's a lovely bag. Yeah, that's maybe you guys can see this. I'm hoping you guys can see the inside of this. That's like really nice. Okay, now I'm kind of understanding the difference between like a $100 bag to a $300 bag to a $600 bag. I'm kind of seeing it. So this has these nice little latches on them for sealing everything in there as a divider, which is really nice. Again, you can put stuff in here, so if you want to put like your runners or something in here, or dirty clothes. But I do like these, because that you just kind of latch on when you're done, and it's got a little bit of spring to it, but not bad. Zippers are nice, and it's deep on this side again because there's nothing on the front side of it. This has the same thing. Very cool. It's got a bag. I'm not sure what that is. And your intimate travel companion. Plus, what is this? It has like a bag, a level 8 bag inside. Oh, this is the cubes. So you have these packing cubes that it comes with right here. But these are nice because these are like, look, or even labeled. It's like cable organizer. This is like your hair dryer and whatnot. This is, I don't know what. It's like got waves on it, so your cruise ship gear. Or if you want, you could maybe put a really large laptop in here. That's nice. And then it's got this tag here that's getting caught in the zipper, so you're going to take that off. Even standard, it's got a nice little divider in there again. Nice bag. I do like this. I never even thought of that whole clip thing. Just kind of, that's super nice. And then this, which you make sure this is all in properly. Okay, I think we're good. That closes. That closes. It does have a little sticker thing here on the logo. I guess you could peel that off. That's a lovely bag. And stick it on its side. It's not going to get too many scratches. Now it is aluminum, right? So if you are going to be banging this around, it's going to get some scratches on it. It shouldn't get dents in it, but it will get scratches because it's aluminum, so it's soft. That is. Wheels, again, feel super nice. Similar. I don't know if they're any better than the previous bag. Definitely nice. Come on now. And I would have no problems if I was traveling with this and you had it down on the ground and you're just like, I need to have a seat for a second. And I'm a big fella, you know, lifetime warranty, even on the wheels. So I'm sitting on this, taking a load off. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, we did ask them, just so you guys know, because my bag that I got did not come with any cubes for the bag. I don't think I have a knife out here, so I'm using a pen. And I think possibly that they sent some extra cubes, dividers, possibly, maybe. Yeah. So depending, we got a whole set of these. So this will be for my bag. So basically the same kind of idea. This is going to have level 8, right? So all kinds of different cubes that you can buy separately. So I got one of these, and I got another one that kind of makes it resemble this one. But if you are looking at that with the cheaper bag, like they said, you are looking at like $50 extra. So if you spend that extra money, you're getting even closer to that bag. All right, okay, this is cool. It's a 4-piece set. We're going to be packing these up in the next few days because we're heading off. We'll show you how well they do in regards to packing in our trip 1 video. All right, guys, this is the level 8 Gibraltar aluminum bag. Without question, that's a nice bag. Links down below. And again, make sure you follow, subscribe, do all that stuff because we will be traveling with this and just seeing how much we can put in it. Later.